Africa, the 4th edition, and I'm going to be practicing with you guys. So if you see me doing things, just ignore. Thank you. Bye. guys, so I am finally back home. Excuse my voice, I have been screaming and shouting and doing all that. I am so sorry about my voice. So I am finally home. It's around 11 p.m. or yeah, it's actually 11 p.m. and we decided to come home early. It was ending at 12, yeah, but me and my friends decided to come home early because we do not want the hecticness of the event being over and having to look for whatnot. Traffic, that's what we are avoiding. So yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. This is Africa. This is the 5th edition. It was a vibe. I've never attended This is Africa, and honestly I am so impressed by everything that they did and the setup and everything. It was just amazing. You guys should definitely try and attend one of these editions. It's a vibe, trust me guys, it's a vibe. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Mwah.